Join me as I dive into the future of Knox stock and challenge myself to predict what's next for this amazing brand. Knox stock has been on many investors' radars lately, and for good reason. Its performance has been quite remarkable, making it a hot topic in the stock market. If you're invested in Knox stock or just curious about its trajectory, you're in the right place. We'll explore what's been happening with Knox stock, the challenges it's facing, and what might come next. One of the main challenges Knox stock is facing right now is market volatility. The stock market can be unpredictable, and Knox stock hasn't been immune to these fluctuations. Investor sentiment also plays a big role. How confident investors feel about the company's future affects its stock price. Furthermore, industry competition is fierce, and Knox stock must continually innovate and improve to stay ahead. This competitive landscape is something investors should keep an eye on. Another challenge is the overall economic environment. With changing interest rates and inflation concerns, the market is full of uncertainties. These factors can influence Knox stock's performance, making it essential for investors to stay informed. The company's ability to adapt to these changes will be crucial. Keeping an eye on economic indicators and market trends will help investors make more informed decisions. The global market trends are also worth mentioning. As more investors focus on sustainable and responsible investing, companies like Knox stock are under pressure to demonstrate their commitment to these values. How well Knox stock navigates these expectations could impact its future performance. This is an aspect that could sway investor sentiment and, consequently, the stock's price. Recent earnings reports have shown that Knox stock has been performing well, beating some expectations. This has positively influenced its stock price, attracting more investors. However, market trends can shift rapidly, and what works today may not work tomorrow. Analyst predictions are varied, with some being optimistic about Knox stock's future and others more cautious. Analysts point to several key factors that could influence Knox stock's performance. The company's strategy for growth, its financial health, and its leadership team are all under scrutiny. Investors are looking for signs of stability and potential for growth. Recent news about the company's product launches and partnerships has been well received, which could be a good indicator of what's to come. The company's financials are also under a microscope. Investors want to see steady revenue growth, healthy profit margins, and smart financial decisions. Any significant changes in these areas could drastically affect Knox stock's price. It's essential for investors to keep up to date with the company's financial reports and announcements. The competitive landscape in Knox stock's industry is another critical factor. With new players entering the market and existing ones evolving, Knox stock must stay competitive. Its ability to innovate and adapt to changing market conditions will be crucial. This might involve investing in new technologies or exploring new markets. So, what's next for Knox stock? A potential turning point could be its upcoming product launch, which many are eagerly anticipating. This launch could significantly impact the stock's performance, either positively or negatively, depending on how well it is received by the market. Recent news about strategic partnerships could also play a crucial role in shaping the company's future. The overall outlook seems cautiously optimistic, with several factors that could sway its trajectory. The stock's performance will likely be influenced by its ability to navigate market challenges and capitalize on opportunities. Investors are advised to keep a close eye on the company's developments and adjust their strategies accordingly. To wrap up, Knox stock's future seems promising but uncertain, like any stock in the market. The main points we've discussed include its current challenges, the factors influencing its performance, and potential turning points. The stock market is inherently unpredictable, making it essential to stay informed and not make decisions based on speculation. If you've made it this far, I want to hear from you. What do you think is next for Knox stock? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in staying up to date on stock market trends, consider watching my next video where I'll dive into more insights and analysis.